Hello everybody and welcome to Miranda Detailing, where we make satisfying detailing videos. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how we clean and protect your glass. So guys, thank you for joining me in today's video. We're going to show you how to clean and properly protect your glass. Really starting with the windshield. That's what we're going to demonstrate on. Of course, you can use this on all of your glass, your sunroof. We're going to start with the windshield and show you really how to deep clean it and then protect it. And today we're going to be cleaning the glass with AMDetails glass and then protecting it with AMDetails rain, which is their windshield rain repellent. So let's show you how. So here we have our windshield that we're going to clean. Granted, it's not horrible, but that's really not what we're really shooting for here. If glass is super dirty, you're going to wash your car with the normal wash procedure. That's going to get 90% of the junk off of your windshield, and then you may be dealing with little things that just might be stuck on that you'll need to remove in this process. So after your wash process, your windshield should be pretty clean, but there may be some things that might be stuck to it, maybe some bugs or some bird droppings that didn't quite all come off. Take your AM glass, be generous, and you'll notice that I'm not using a glass specific rag. I'm just using one of my interior towels, not a gross interior towel, but it is one that is fairly clean, but I am using it as what they call a throwaway towel. I'm not throwing it away, I'm just using it for the first few passes to get up the most gunk on the towel. Search out any little bugs or anything that might be stuck onto the glass. Work the cleaner in, flip your towel, and gently hand polish away any of the light streaking. And really, this doesn't leave any streaking. The beauty of this product is there's a long working time, which means it doesn't flash away too quickly. It allows the cleaner in it to actually clean the glass, which is great. Now that your glass is cleaned, there may be some bits that are stuck to it. Maybe the glass feels a little rough to the touch. Now you have two options. You can either use a razor blade on a little extension like this. These are great. I have links to these down below. You can use also a clay bar. So we're going to use AM clay. So let's do this first. Let's show you how we razor blade the glass. Now I use the glass cleaner starting at the top. It's acting as a lubricant, and gently razor blade the glass. You'll hear it pick up particles, so do that over the entire surface of the glass. Now, if you like, you can still use your first pass towel because we're still in the beginning stages, the first stages of cleaning your glass. The glass will feel smoother, slicker, and it will seem to clean easier with your glass cleaner as well. Now, with your AM clay, grab a little piece. I have one that I already broke off here, ready to go. The beauty of this clay is all you need is water. And use your clay bar to go over the entire surface of the glass, picking up any other residual bits of gunk that might be stuck on the glass. All these steps are going to help you when it comes to preparing your glass for the protection part. All right, guys, so after your glass is now deep cleaned, next step comes protection. AM Rain is designed as a rain repellent for all of your glass. On your windshields, durability, it says about 2 months or so. That depends on if your car is garage. It depends on how much rain it sees. And it also depends on how much you're using your windshield wipers, because that will abrade it. Applying this is very easy. Use just a nice, clean microfiber applicator. Shake the product up, a couple of squirts to prime the pad. Work in circular motions just to make sure that you have really nice, even coverage. And when you notice that your pad is drying out a little bit, add a couple of more squirts onto your pad and continue. You'll see it apply very easily, spreads nicely. Just make sure to apply over your entire windshield, getting up all the way to the edges. So you can see it on the surface there curing. Let that sit for about 15 minutes and then go back over the windshield again, same process, and do a second coat without wiping off the first, and apply a second coat and wait 15 minutes again. So it should be about time to remove the glass protection. take a dry, dedicated glass towel and simply hand polish the glass clean. It is removed with ease. Now you'll be ready to go in the rain right away. Look at those beautiful beads. That's nice. So guys, that's how you can deep clean and protect your glass, primarily your windshield. That's really going to be the most important glass in your vehicle because, well, that's what you'll look out of. So guys, if you're interested in any of the AMDetail product line, especially the AM glass that we use today and AM rain, then check out Car Guy Supply. They have a ton of products and always adding more. And if you want any of the AMDetail line, go on there, enter code Miranda20 and you'll get 20% off all of these products. If you're also interested in any of the towels that we use, check the links down below. Car Guy Supply also carries some of those. And if you're interested in the little razor tool that we use, then click the link down below and you can purchase that little razor blade tool. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from it. If you did and enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell. That way you get notifications each time our videos drop each week and you don't miss stuff. So guys, grab some of these products on their website. I think you'll be super happy with them. And thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Have a great week.